Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. There's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. I wake up in a doo-doo-doo-doo. I never know. I never know what to say after that. I know that song up until that point. Ah la 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 da da da. Hoka hey doo 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 doo. Anyway, BOOZHOO, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. Okay, we gotta decide. Am I gonna talk to you down here, or am I gonna pretend you're over there? And you know, I don't know. Okay. What if we brought the camera down here a little bit? I mean, this is pretty good, I guess. All right, take two. Take two. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired until the day I met you. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind, and you make me feel. You make me feel like a natural woman. Okay, now what? Hey, BOOZHOO! Hello, welcome back to the show. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. Oh, here we go. BOOZHOO OJIBWE. OJIBWE. BOOZHOO OJIBWE means hello, squirrel. Hello, squirrel. BOOZHOO OJIBWE. Hello, squirrel. This is a book Michael wrote and illustrated. And it's in all Ojibwe. BOOZHOO. Hello, squirrel. Okay, now what?
Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway. You could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, this serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. If you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you,
all right, take two. Let's start from
would
here.
break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space.
Hello,
If you
everybody.
say run,
And
I'll
welcome to
run
Story
with
Time
you.
at the Bemidji Public Library. This
If
is my
you
puppy.
say hi,
Puppy, say
we'll hide.
hello, puppy. Wait, what did that
Cause
puppy just
my
say?
love
Meow.
for you
Do you speak kid?
would break break my heart
Where's the
in
kitty?
two.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
If you should
Hello,
fall
kitty.
into my arms and
Do you know the
tremble
Ojibwe
like
word?
a
Hey, hey, get off my face. Do you know the Ojibwe word for
flower, hey, hey, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance.
Can you say, Gaja Gates? Say, Gaja Gates. Look how cute you are. Oh, I don't want to eat you up. So today, just want to say thank you to the Prairie Public Library, or Prairie Public Television. Who gave us this stuff?
I don't know. I'll go check it out.
Today we got a whole bunch of puppets and some supplies from the Prairie Public Learning Express. And it's part of the Clearwater Land Legacy Amendment. I just wanted to say miigwech. Thank you. Thank you so much for contributing to our library. We really appreciate it. All right, on with story time. Hey, that's my earring. Did you take that off of my ear? Give me back my earring. That thing's always falling out, actually. Michael, will you take this?
Sure.